Today we're going to show you how to change the suspension springs on your washer. It's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a putty knife, 5/16 nut driver, and a good pair of pliers. Let me show you how we do it. Now the first step in this repair will be to disconnect the power supply from the washer. Simply pull the plug from the wall. Next we're going to lift the main top. There are 2 spring clips, one on each side. We just take a putty knife, reach in until we find that clip, push in on it, and lift up gently on the top, hold it up. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Support the lid as we raise the main top, and let it support itself against the wall. Next we will remove 2 5/16 screws, one on each side at the top of the front panel. Tilt the front panel forward and lift it off of the 2 hooks on the bottom of the base frame. We can set this aside. Now with the front panel removed, we now have access to all 6 suspension springs. And if you're changing one of these, you should change all 6 so that you have an even tension on them all. Now 3 of these springs will be connected to the tub support leg, and 3 of them are connected to a hook that is fastened to the tub support. All 6 hook into the base from the bottom. Now those springs have a fair bit of tension, so I suggest you should put some safety goggles on. And with a pair of locking pliers or channel lock pliers, grasp the spring on the upper portion, pull the tub slightly towards the spring that you're going to change first, stretch the spring and lift it out of the hook. Now we can rotate it and pull it out of the base frame. And when installing your new spring, you should put a bit of grease in that hook on the bottom. Insert the spring through the slotted hole first, and then make sure the point comes up through the small hole in the base. Keep a little tension on it. And with our pliers, get a firm grip on it, lift it up and engage it in the proper slot. And then move on to all 6 of them until you have them all complete, and then we're ready to put the front panel back on. Now we're ready to reinstall the front panel. Just locate the 2 slots in the bottom of the front panel with the 2 tabs on the base frame. Make sure it sits down snugly, tilt it into place, and we'll reinstall those 5/16 screws. Now we can put the main top down. Just snap each corner in place. And our repair is complete.